Year 11 mock exam question 5. So we've got a reaction from the group 7 elements, which comes from topic 1, I think. Name the products formed when chlorine solution reacts with potassium iodide. This is a straightforward displacement reaction. Again, feel free to go ahead and write this as a word equation to actually do the whole thing to give the product, or you can write both products down. Either would be acceptable. It's only asking for the products, but if you wrote down the word equation and then highlighted what the products were, you could get that. So we've got here chlorine solution of potassium iodide. I'm not going to write it as a chemical equation. You could do potassium iodide plus chlorine goes to, and then we're going to form two things. The chlorine is more reactive than iodine. It's going to replace the iodine. Some people got confused here and said the chlorine is going to replace the potassium and form something called chlorine iodide, which doesn't exist. So the chlorine is replacing the other group 7 element, the iodine. So we've got potassium chloride, IDE, really important, plus iodine. It's only a 1 mark question, and you need to get both of those to ensure you get the mark. Explain why chlorine is more reactive than iodine. This is one of those questions that you just have to go away and memorize. It's a real straightforward kind of like memorize 3 steps. First thing we have to say is that chlorine's outermost shell of electrons is closer to the nucleus than for iodine. Okay, so it's closer to the nucleus. Now that means that there's going to be a greater attraction to the outer electrons. So there is a greater force. You can skip out force, but I think it's an important word. A greater force of attraction